వస్తుంది నీకోసం అప్పుడే వస్తాలమ్మా.
Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, Charvik, Neeraj. Sai Swaroop, after a long time, Sai has back to class. What have you done all these days, Sai? Swaroop? Turn on your video, Neeraj and Sai Swaroop. Santosh. A trip. Sai Swaroop was enjoying a trip. You have missed all the classes and went for a trip. Even though in a trip also you can hear the class, no? We are providing such a facilities. Okay, students. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Let your friends also join the class, okay? Until then, just let's revise yesterday's topic.
Okay, ma'am.
Revise yesterday's topic, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Plants that grow on deserts and plants grown in swamp areas. Okay. Okay. Let's have a quick recap of yesterday's class, children. We have taught yesterday about plants in deserts. Example, cactus and date palms are the plants that which grow in desert areas, and we told that they protect themselves by having thorns on them. Those are thorns are called spines. S-P-I-N-E-S, spines, children, and they preserve more water inside them because it is a less water area. So wherever the water is found, they easily absorb and suck with the help of roots and they store the water. That's why those leaves are very thick and fleshy inside. Okay, and the roots also doesn't go deeper into the soil, just they are on the surface. Okay, this is about the plants which grow in deserts. And coming to plants in swamps. Swamp is nothing but, children, the area which has stagnant water. We can see always the water will be present due to the low-lying area. If it is an upper area, the water will be drained off, and it is a low-lying area. So that's why water will get stagnated, and those stagnated area water is called swamp areas, or there are also known as marshy places. Marshy places, M-A-R-S-H-Y, marshy places, children. Okay, this is about the examples of the plants they grow in marshy or swamp areas is mangrove trees. Mangrove trees, children. Okay, let's discuss about coming today's topic, plants of coastal area. See, children, what is a coastal area? Let's see what is coastal area means. If you see in a map pointing, you can observe the land area which is a border, which divides the land area and water. is called as a coastal areas. We have beaches, no? Beach view, you know, beaches, you'll go for beaches, obviously, right? For a trip or tour. The land which is having the beaches is called as a coastal areas, which is very near to the oceans. Like Vishakhapatnam, our Sai Swarup is residing in Vishakhapatnam. It is one of the coastal area. Yes or no? They have the beaches there. But coming to Nandyal, this is not the coastal area. We doesn't have any beaches here. So no coastal seashore is there. A seashore, the area which is near to seashore is called as a coastal area. Like Chennai. Chennai is a coastal area. Mumbai is a coastal area. Kerala. Okay, these all are the coastal areas, children. The land which is near to the seashore is called as a coastal area. Plants in regions like eastern and western sea coasts of South India. See, children, North India doesn't have any coastal area because the North India is surrounded with different countries like Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal and all. There doesn't have any seashore. Any seas are not there. But coming to South India, children, the east and west side India is covered with, east and west of South India is covered with a water. Seashore is there which receives a heavy rainfall. Yes or no? The seashore receives a heavy rainfall because sea is just beside them. In that rainfall, water can be a little bit salty. If the rain comes, children, the rain over there contains a little bit salt in taste. The water which falls in the form of rain contains a little bit salt because it is a coastal area which is nearby seashores. Here, children, coconut, rubber, and pepper. You saw coconut tree, children? Have you ever saw coconut trees? It is really recently. You can see if you go out and you can see coconut trees anywhere easily. My Charvik is going out to watch a coconut tree right now. Okay, you may have a look at coconut trees and rubber. See, children, this how a rubber tree usually look like. This is just a picture of a rubber tree they have given here. And pepper. What is pepper, children? What is a pepper? Pepper. Pepper is nothing but mirialu. Mirialu. It is one of the tree which is grown at this coastal regions, children. They have given some examples like coconut tree, rubber tree, and pepper trees are some of the plants that grow in these coastal regions. I hope you came to know what are coastal regions. By based on that only we can explain. You still have any doubt in the terminology of coastal region, children? Where will a pear tree grows? You only told us Sai Swarup and the coastal regions the pear trees will grow. See, children, the pear trees are also grown actually in the coastal regions only, which is the soil should be a little bit clayey. The soil should be a little bit clayey. Okay. Well, in hilly areas also they can be grown. Accordingly, children, they need some Conditions, climatic conditions are also needed. Cool regions, the pears will grow a little bit in a cool regions because seashore is cool, as well as the hilly regions also it is a little bit cool. So based on the temperature and climatic factors also, rubber trees means what? Neeraj is asking. See children, from this tree we will extract rubber. Paper is coming from a tree, no? We will increase the volume, Neeraj, increase the volume or use headphones so that you can hear clearly. Okay, rubber trees means children will extract the rubber from that tree, the trunk which it has, the stem, the thicker stems is called as actually the trunk. From the trunk, they'll keep a small hole. They'll make a small hole in the trunk and they will keep one container down to collect all the liquid which flows from the tree. From that extracted liquid, they will prepare rubber, children. So that's how a rubber is made. Rubber may be of different forms, or erasers, it may be a rubber band, whatever it may be, the elastic form. So how in that way the rubber is also collected from a rubber tree. Still any more doubts, children? Sharp tree is what, ma'am? Where is the word sharp here? There is no word sharp, Yatish. Sharp tree. There is no tree named as sharp here. You're asking about this one? The leaves which are sharp. It is nothing but a coconut tree, Yatish. We usually regularly watch around us. It is a coconut tree. Okay, this is all about, and the trees of such areas are evergreen and they usually have a large number of leaves, and these trees do not shed their leaves in the winter. See children, we told in the winter season, actually the leaves will fall down and again they will be growing. Yes or no? For every plant, in the winter season, the leaves will be shedded, falling down, and again new leaves will be coming. But coming to the plants which are grown in coastal areas like rubber tree and coconut tree, they won't shed their leaves. They won't shed their leaves in the winter, and even though they have a very huge number of leaves, means not one or two, we can't count in our finger counts, children. There are many number of leaves. For suppose a cactus plant, you can count the leaves, no? Like 5 or 6 leaves will be there for an aloe vera cactus. But coming to a coconut and a rubber tree, can you count the leaves, children? No, there are so many number of leaves, and they do not shed in the winter season. Shed is nothing but they do not fade or fall down during the winter seasons, and so that's why they are always evergreen. If they used to be shut down, they have to turn their color to yellow or brown and they have to be fall down. But here, these trees won't turn into some other colors. They only are always evergreen and they do not shed in the winter seasons. Ma'am, in plants one which like grows. What is the question, Yatesh? I'm not getting what are you trying to ask me? Plants one, where is the plants one here? It is a rubber tree you're asking about. Just tell me the name of the plant, then I will try to answer for your question. Next, let's see the note point, children. Some common varieties of plants that belong to grass family. Grass family is nothing but children. It just from a far distance, it just looks like a grass. It might be a shorter grass or longer grass. It is related to the shape of the grass and the leaves of the grass. Let's see some of the plants which are related to grass family are rice, wheat, jowar, bajra, sugarcane, bamboo, etc. Sai Swaroop is asking the meaning of bamboo. See, Nana, bamboo is not a thing to explain. It is a plant. And nowadays, in so many houses, you're going China bamboo. In a small glassware bowl, you're growing bamboo trees, no? And in some forests also near Nandyal, you can see these bamboo trees. Like cane furniture, many of you might suppose to have a cradle which is made of cane. You'll be swinging that, no? That is also made with a bamboo tree. It is a kind of a tree, Nana. Bamboo is a kind of a tree. So these all are the plants which usually belongs to the grass family. Means they're just somewhat similar characteristics like a grass. Those are rice, wheat, jowar, bajra, sugarcane, and bamboo. The plants of these family provide food for humans and animals. See children, yes or no? The grassy family is providing food for both humans and plants as well. Rice we eat. Wheat also we eat. Bajra we eat. Sugar cane. From that we'll prepare sugar and jaggery. So sugar cane. Bamboo. Bamboo is a food for animals. Most of the pandas, gorillas, chimpanzees, they will eat bamboo, and elephants, they'll eat bamboo. It is a food for animals, children. It is a food for animals. Yes, some Charik is asking, do we get paper from a bamboo tree? Yes, children, a kind of a bamboo tree is used to prepare paper also. From many plants we will do paper, children. Now I'm just telling, Charvik has asked me a question. Actually, from many pulpy plants, we'll say, it will have pulp inside. Those plants we will pick up and we'll do it for paper. Some of the bamboo plants also we can make paper. Bamboo plants also used in many purposes, children. It is also consists of pulp, and it's also can be used to making paper, and some nowadays some kind of furniture is also made with it. Bamboo furniture also is made with it. Still any more doubts, children? And here they have give, let's see, do you know plant matter found at the bottom of areas while water like swamps gradually turns into coals? Plant matter, children, which is found at the bottom areas, with water swamps, gradually they turns into coal, children. This is the fact that have been told in this lesson for us. Let's once have a look at the PPT once. We have already learned. These are called spines, children. In the yesterday's class, we told no desert plants will be having spines, just thorn-like structures, and you can observe the leaf is really thick. It stores the liquid inside, so that if you cut this leaf, you can see some jelly inside. These thorns help the plant to protect them from animals as well. See children, in pines the surface of the leaf is coated by waxy layer. Yes, in the mountainous regions we explained about this. This is covered with a waxy layer so that no snow will be deposited on it and it will be drained off, and it prevents the leaf to be freezed. If it freezed, how it prepares food, children? So before it prevents the leaf to get freezing also. This waxy coating helps the leaves from freezing. Here on the day we told the world's smallest flowering plant is watermeal or Ulfia. This is the water plant, children. It may be grown in on the water, on the surface of water. And this is also a water plant which is known for you. What is this? Yes, it is a lotus. These are, we can say, which eats the insects. Those insects here, we call them as prey, children, P-R-E-Y, prey. They feed mostly on insects because you see the chlorophyll portion is very less. If they have more amount of chlorophyll, it looks green in color, but due to the less chlorophyll, it is not green. It can't prepare its food completely. So it traps the insects and eat them. These are also kind of plants. You definitely love them. These are mushrooms. Yes or no? You love to eat mushrooms, no? Yes, this is also a kind of plant which is not at all green in color. 0% chlorophyll will be there in these children. They can't prepare their food. They always depend on sources of food. Okay, children. Please note down the hard words in today's lesson. Okay, please note down the hard words in today's topic, children. And today you have to do this checkpoint also. Yes, Charvik is telling panda will eat bamboo. Yes, Charvik, pandas will eat bamboos. They'll eat both sugarcane and bamboos also. Have you all writing the homework, children? Are you all doing the homeworks properly? Are you ready with your pencils to highlight the hard words? Or else who doesn't possess textbooks, please take them a notebook and write it. Today's hard words from the topic of plants of coastal areas. Plants of Coastal areas. Now done the hard words, children. Regions. Regions. Eastern. Eastern. Western. Western. Receive. Salty. Coconut. Rubber. Pepper. Pepper. Evergreen. Evergreen. Usually. Usually. Shed. Shed. Varieties. Common. Common. Varieties. Varieties. Belong. Belong. Wheat. Wheat. Jowar. Jowar. Bajra. Bajra. Sugarcane. Sugarcane. Bamboo. Bamboo. Provide. Provide. Humans. Have you completed noting it, children? Have you completed noting that? See, let me once tell you the words in the noting the checkpoint, children, the words in the checkpoint. Let me once pronounce it for you. Have you completed noting down, children? If you completed that, I'll tell it for you. Okay, cedar. I'm just pronouncing, children. You have to do this activity by your own. Cedar. People. First one is cedar. Second one is people. Third one is pepper. Fourth, cactus. Fifth, mangroves. Sixth one, duckweed. Duckweed. And coming to the column B, A, desert. A, desert. B, marshy lands. C, mountains. C, mountains. D, coastal. D, coastal. E, floating. E, it's floating. F, it's plains. F is plains. Please do this checkpoint of your own, children. Is still any doubts, children? I'll reveal the answers in the tomorrow's class. Is it everything clear? Sai Swaroop, Chavik, Neeraj? Very good. Varshini, Ritesh, very good, Nana. Good going. Okay, children, see you in the next class. Bye.